Good night. Tonight we'll be presenting on our two new labs that we got to make. The first one, which is a sort tab widget, and the second one, which is a tab widget. We'll be presenting on the sort tab widget for sort dialog widget first. Sorry. And my name is Golby. My partner name is Floyd, and he will be presenting on the sort dialog widget and how we got it made.
Alright, so I'll be explaining the functionalities of the widgets in our shape-changing dialog. So after running the program, what we'll see is a dialog that consists of a group box that is a parent widget to two labels and two combo boxes, as well as a vertical spacer, which is right about here. On the right side of the dialog are three push buttons, as well as a vertical spacer. A horizontal spacer has been positioned at the bottom left of the dialog, resulting in this huge space right there. Okay, so because this is a shape-changing dialog, it will expand when a certain widget is clicked. And in our case, this more push button will make that happen. So because we've in a construct, the constructor has the second and third group boxes as well as make the dialog non-resizable by the user. So if you try resizing this, you can't because we've set that in the constructor. So when the more push button is clicked, the layout then resizes the dialog automatically, making our hidden group boxes to then become visible, as you can see here. Also, we've given all of our combo boxes a range of C to F as options for the user to choose from, while the second combo boxes have only two options, a descending and ascending option. And so when we so the top order in this program starts at the primary combo box, that is this this combo box, and then it goes to the bottommost combo box, and then the OK, cancel, and more push box. So I'm gonna press tab, and then as you can see, it goes from the first combo box, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then afterwards it goes to the OK button, the cancel button, and then the more. Also, this sort dialog program consists of four connections. First connection is between this OK button and the firm's accept slot, while the second connection is between the cancel button and the firm's reject slot. The third and fourth connections are similar because whenever the more push button is clicked, the firm set visible slot is triggered. That then resizes the dialog, allowing our second and third group boxes to show. So basically, that is what our sort dialog or our shape changing dialog program is all about. So I'm gonna allow Golby to explain the tab widget.
Okay, then now for the tab widget. This is a fairly easy and basic widget to make. If you as you can see on the screen right now, this is widget itself. It has two tabs open, tab one and tab two. Tab two has nothing in it, while tab one has a push button right there. And if you click that button, it automatically adds a new tab to the widget. And by adding the tab, we had to we for display purposes we programmed a group box with some radio buttons in there just to like to see if the tab would if the tab would be opened and like to display something in it. So if you will look in the form, if you go into design, we could go into more detail on how that was made. Okay, yes, as you can see, um, it's a basic layout on how we're gonna do it. We just added in the tab widget into the maker, and it gave us two tabs. And after we just put a push button, then we had to code the button in order for us to press. So when we press it, it would open up a new tab. And another function that was implemented was the close tab function, which when it's closed, well, it basically does what it says it does. Closes the tab. However, running into some issues at first when we try to test the code. When we try to close one tab, it automatically closed the first tab and not the last tab. So that was a bit of a how to say, like, a delay in timing it to make this, but we end up getting it to work. So that that basically sums up what the tab widget really is. It's just a basic tab icons and to display something in a new tab and such. And for the two labs, I guess that's it. Those were the only two labs that we got to make. They were fairly easy. They had some challenges, but it was okay. Um, but at the end of the day, we got it done. So yeah, that's our video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next lab.